flavor. And we back with another video. Vlogmas Day. Today is December 3rd, but this is Vlogmas Day 5 for y'all. Okay? We're gonna do this gingerbread because she wants to do it, and I said we're gonna do it today, so we're gonna do it today. And I think this should be pretty much easy. I haven't did one of these in a long time. And I got this from Five Below if y'all want to know. Or y'all can get y'all one. It got the icing. Okay, we might not need scissors because the icing in a pack back in the day, you used to have to put your icing in a pack and squeeze. I feel old. Never mind, I'm not that old. Oh, we got a peppermint. How are we supposed to do it? We're going to try to make it just like the box. Y'all see that? We're going to try to make it just like that.
Like this.
Okay, this the cookie. Look, here, we're going to sit it right here so you can see what it looks like, okay? That's how it's supposed to look, okay? You got it?
Yeah.
We're going to open these squeezies. Nah, this too hard. I hope ain't nobody eating this.
Please stay out my way.
That's my brother, y'all. He going in there because I can't edit that out. Am I supposed to? Okay, hold on, DeSiree. This thing ain't got no instructions. Ooh, hold on. Step 1. Ice in the base.
Ice in the base.
This the base?
This the base? Where's that butter? Okay. Ready?
Okay, we gotta break this one in half. Ooh, there we go. I think we gotta break this one too. We gotta break this one?
Yes.
Okay, and we gotta break that one. Break that one. You got it? Oh, no. Here, like this. See this? Turn it over. Turn it over. You see the line right there? You gotta break it right there like that. See, good job. Taste it. No, wait. You gotta put your finger on it. Oh, okay. Turn it upside down. It's good. Okay, come on. We got an ice in the base. Okay, you got to go around this line right here, okay?
Hello. I do myself. How would you touch it?
Oh, no, don't put it right there. You got to put it right there. I'm not. Ooh.
Let's touch it. Let's touch it, Mom.
Okay, good job. That's enough. That's enough.
Ooh.
Good job.
Okay, eat it.
Okay.
Okay. Put it right here.
Now we got to put this the base. So it go right here. And we got to put the door.
I'll put this in.
Oh, excuse me. Bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll put it there.
Look, it's standing up.
I'll put it there for you.
What we do?
There.
That's the roof. That's the roof. The roof. The roof is on fire. We don't need no water. Let them burn.
What is that?
Yeah, we're gonna do that next. You gotta open this one too.
Oh,
You just want the candy, huh? I know. Let me take this jacket off.
no.
I don't want no icing to get on my jacket.
I don't know. I don't know what to say.
Look at that. Do that. Let's try this. Ooh, try one. They hard. You gotta suck it. Don't bite it. You're gonna mess up your teeth. Okay, now we gotta ice in the roof like this. Okay? Like this, okay?
Okay. Put that one.
Do that one?
Yeah.
Can you help me? Oh, we missed one right here. Ooh, good job.
Okay, eat it.
Can't eat it yet? Okay, now we gotta put this one over here. You put that one over there. Put it up there. You gotta put it up there. Yeah, good job.
Put candy on it?
No, wait, we gotta put icing first, then you put the candy.
No.
Yeah. Okay, now here. Mama gonna put some icing up here, then you gotta put them up there, okay?
Okay. What is it? Okay, like that.
Okay, now put these up here like this. Let me show you. You put them up there just like that. Yeah.
What's this for? I want tomorrow.
Oh, what is this?
That's good. That's good. That's good. Oh, I was.
Okay, now let's do. It's falling. No. No. It's falling. We gotta put some icing right here.
I'm gonna eat it.
No, don't eat that one.
What's that?
Okay, get it.
No.
You want it to fall? Here, let's take a picture. Say cheese. Here, let's hold it up. Here, hold it.
Christmas.
Turn it this way. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay. What you want? What else you want to do? You want to put some more candy on it? Huh?
No.
You don't want to eat? Put no more candy on it?
Look. With this.
You want to eat it? Huh? Go ahead. She didn't want to eat everything. Eat it all. We got the best gingerbread house on YouTube. On YouTube. Period.
No. That's enough. Mama, look. Oh my gosh. Oh, like this. Mama, like this.
You want to eat it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one you going to eat?
I'll eat the dough.
You going to eat the door?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. It's not hard.
It is hard. I heard that.
No, I'll show you. Bye. See?
That's hard. The icing good. Let me try one of these. This is not to be ate. This stuff is just for fun. The kids gonna eat it though, but it's really nasty. That purple one's pretty good, but
Hey
that
guys.
gingerbread too hard.
Hey guys.
That's for them. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below more videos that you want me to do or us to do. Subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 3K, but really the goal is 10K. Then after that, we lit. You feel me? How you gonna hit it? You on the table. You can't get on the table. Outfit of the day. We had on the graphic Christmas tee with the blue jean sweater with the white. With the black tights and the Crocs. No, your hand over there on the camera. Okay. All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.